Hello, welcome back to Pretty DIYs. In this video, I will be participating in the pumpkin party challenge. I will be providing more information on that a little later in the video. Right now, I'm going to be creating two DIYs that has to do with the pumpkin theme. So stay tuned and see what I come up with.
The sum of my mistakes, can I catch a break to breathe? Not a perfect man, but I understand the journey. So I'll write another song to right another wrong. Oh my, it's a game of live and learn. I loved and then return to try till I get it right. Trust yourself, love, it's okay, you get it right. Beat yourself up, it's okay, you get it right. No big deal, love, it's okay, it's just another wrong. Take a deeper breath before I reset. Oh my, so tired, but I begin again. Every step is time well spent. I'll take pride, down for the ride till I get it right. Trust yourself, love, it's okay, you get it right. Beat yourself up, it's okay, you get it right. No big deal, love, it's okay, it's just another wrong. I've been working on this daily, hours, minutes, seconds fade. Trying to keep up, staying busy, gotta fail faster, they say. Hope that it leads to destiny. When I look back on mistakes, journey carried me to my dreams. Lessons I embrace till I trust yourself, love, it's okay, you get it right. Beat yourself up, it's okay, you get it right. No big deal, love, it's okay, it's just another wrong. We all have flaws, just another wrong. Please don't take it hard, love. We must be strong, yeah. We live to learn another day. Please don't take it hard, love. We'll be okay, be okay. The sum of my mistakes, can I catch a break to breathe? Not a perfect man, but I understand the journey. So I'll write another song to right another wrong. Oh my, it's a game of live and learn. I loved and then return to try till I get it right. Trust yourself, love, it's okay, you get it right. Beat yourself up, it's okay, breath before I reset. Oh my, so tired, but I begin again. Every step is time well spent. I'll take pride, down for the ride till I get it right. Trust yourself, love, it's okay, you get it right. Beat yourself up, it's okay, you get it right. No big deal, love, it's okay, it's just another wrong. I've been working on the daily, hours, minutes, seconds fade. Trying to keep up, staying busy. Gotta fail faster, they say. Hope that it leads to destiny. When I look back on mistakes, journey carried me to my dreams. Lessons I embrace till I trust yourself, love. It's okay, you get it right. Beat yourself up. It's okay, you get it right. No big deal, love. It's okay. It's just another wrong. We all have flaws, just another wrong. Please don't take it hard, love. We must be strong, yeah. We live to learn another day. Please don't take it hard, love. We'll be okay, be okay. The sum of my mistakes, can I catch a break to breathe? Not a perfect man, but I understand the journey. So I'll write another song to right another wrong. Oh my, it's a game of live and learn. I left and then returned to try till I get it right. Trust yourself, love, it's okay, you get it right. Beat yourself up, it's okay, you get it right. No big deal, love, it's okay, it's just another wrong. Take a deeper breath before I reset. Oh my, so tired, but I begin again. Every
I am participating in the Pumpkin Party Challenge. The hosts are DIY from House to Home, Happiness Created, and CJ DIY. So after you're finished my video, head over to their channels and check out their DIYs as well, and consider subscribing. I will link their channels in my description box below, so don't forget to check out their channels as well. And for my second DIY, just stay tuned. I will be creating a pumpkin.
step is time well spent. I'll take pride, down for the ride till I get it right. Trust yourself, love, it's okay, you get it right. Beat yourself up, it's okay, you get it right. No big deal, love, it's okay, it's just another wrong. I've been working on the daily, hours, minutes, seconds fade. Trying be okay, be okay. The sum of my mistakes, can I catch a break to breathe? Not a perfect man, but I understand the journey. So I'll write another song to right another wrong. Oh my, it's a game of live and learn. I loved and then return to try till I get it right. Trust yourself, love, it's okay. You get it right. Beat yourself up, it's okay. You.
So this DIY didn't cost me anything. I had stuffing, like pillow stuffing that you get from Walmart, and I already had the fabric, so I just put the stuffing in the fabric and tied it up and made my own pumpkin. I'm gonna be doing a rag pumpkin, so I'm just putting pieces of ribbon, different pieces of ribbon around the pumpkin, and that's basically it. So it's ribbon, it's the fabric, and the stuffing. So this DIY didn't cost anything. I had all of the materials already. It's something that most people have. Even if you have an old pillow, you can use the stuffing from the old pillow and use that to make a pumpkin. So
I'll take pride down for the ride till I get it right. Trust yourself, love, it's okay. You get it right. Beat yourself up, it's okay. You get it right. No big deal, love, it's okay. It's just another wrong. I've been working on the daily, thousands minutes, seconds fade. Trying to keep up, staying busy. Gotta fail faster, they say. Hope that it leads to destiny. When I look back on mistakes, journey carried me to my dreams. Lessons I embrace till I see. Trust yourself, love, it's okay. You get it right. Beat yourself up, it's okay. You get it right. No big deal, love, it's okay. It's just another wrong. We all have flaws, just another wrong. Please don't take it hard, love. We must be strong, yeah. We live to learn another day. Please don't take it hard, love. We'll be okay, be okay.
So I'm pretty much finished with my pumpkin, my rag pumpkin. Let me know in the comments if you like this DIY or my other DIY. And also give me a thumbs up if you do like it, and consider subscribing. I will show you some pictures. I will link some pictures in the video of how the end result turned out, so you can see for yourself. And also, I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Also, the playlist for this challenge will be in the description box as well, so you can see all the other creators' videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
The sum of my mistakes, can I catch a break to breathe? Not a perfect man, but I understand the journey. So I'll write another song to right another wrong. Oh my, it's a game of live and learn. I left and then return to try till I get it right. Trust yourself, love, it's okay, you get it right. Beat yourself up, it's okay, you get it right. No big deal, love, it's okay, it's just another wrong. Take a deeper breath before I reset. Oh my, so tired, but I begin again. Every step is time well spent. I'll take pride, down for the ride.